Once upon a time, in a far, far away place named Gallon Kingdom, there were 4 queens that ruled the land. They each lived in a different quarter of Gallon Kingdom.
There was the Queen of the Northwest, the Queen of the Northeast, the Queen of the Southwest, and the Queen of the Southeast. They were each very tall and powerful. Each queen was mother to 1 pint-sized prince and 1 pint-sized princess.
That means there were 4 princes and 4 princesses, equaling 8 altogether in Gallon Kingdom. The princes and princesses were all great friends. Each prince and princess had a couple of children, 2 twin children to be exact. Each of the twins were 8 years old.
When all of the children meet up to play, there are 16 of them. The entire kingdom lived happily ever after.
The end.
Let's recall what we learned from Gallon Kingdom. The name of the kingdom was Gallon Kingdom, so we're going to start with a G to represent a gallon. An example of a gallon would be a gallon of milk.
Next, we know there are 4 queens. Queen starts with the letter Q. So does the word quart. That means there are 4 quarts in a gallon. An example of a quart would be a quart of Gatorade.
Each queen had a pint-sized prince and princess. For each quart, there are 2 pints. That means there are 2 pints in a quart and 8 pints in a gallon because we multiplied 2 pints by 4 quarts. An example of a pint would be a pint of ice cream.
Lastly, each prince and princess had twin children. Children start with a C, and so does the word cup. There are 2 cups in a pint. How many cups are in a quart?
4.
How many cups are in a gallon?
16.
An example of a cup would be a cup of sugar.
Now you know all about gallons, quarts, pints, and cups.
Everybody's waiting, everybody's watching, even when you're sleeping. Keep your eyes